Put up the Christmas trees, and I have that little Christmas thing that goes in the fireplace, and what else? I have a little Christmas bowl I can put Christmas candy in.
Is going down. Melissa could take it away though. Coaches will always tell you those key moments of games. One of them is the first 5 minutes, second half. Chance to grab momentum.
Be like meowing at the door to come in after he's been like down there. Like he like can get up here.
That's so weird.
Hey.
Hello.
Come on, stay there, Eddie. All right, I'm in.
The other ones get beat up.
I feel like those would be much more efficient too.
We spent a lot of time to get it sometimes.
I hope so bad that it snows because it didn't snow last year, and I have yet to see Gilly in the snow.
Come to Arizona.
Joker, you get a rifle.
So is that where you get your hair done? Is it always there?
Yeah, I don't know.
Just hanging with my crew. Ain't nothing that we gotta do, just hanging. Chilling with the top down, checking what's the low down. Hanging with my crew, checking out the vibe like we always do, just hanging.